Alright guys, and now we're riding the train back to Terminal D and E as a 4th of July edition
You
here.
are at Terminal C.
So here we go.
Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal D and E.
Usted se encuentra en la Terminal C.
Yep.
Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es la Terminal D y E.
This is definitely one of my favorite subway train rides throughout the airport because it's fast. Yeah, it is. This train is also like a roller coaster too. Especially how it makes these turns too, you know what I mean? And that's true, and we're going fast also. Like we're in the car driving on the highway. That's what it also feels like to me. In my opinion, this feels like a highway car drive and a roller coaster at the same time. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, that elevator also goes to the parking garage too. Yep, and now we are here. We made it in no time, that's for sure. Yeah, that's exactly why this train feels like a roller coaster too. Hence, that's why it makes these quick turns like that. Yeah, this train is fun. I have to agree.
Hold on to the handrail.
Yep.
Your next stop will be Terminal C.
Alright, now that we're here,
So we'll take the sandwich and go to seat. Su próxima parada es la Terminal C.
oh gee, that is a rough stop. Anybody getting off here? Alright, you guys can go ahead first. You're welcome. Alright,
Thank you.
you're welcome. You can go ahead.
So I'll forward you, and then I'll just wait for you in Lagos.
The train just... Alright, and now the train is about to leave now. We're just gonna go straight upstairs. Yep, we're going straight upstairs right now. But now the train's already leaving. Alright, now that's gonna be it for now.